In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your bank transactions effectively using QuickBooks. Together, we'll walk through a straightforward process that ensures your financial records are both accurate and comprehensive. So, let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to QuickBooks. If you're not already on their homepage, you can easily get there by typing in the URL on your browser or following any saved bookmarks you might have. Once you're on the homepage, log in with your credentials if prompted. QuickBooks is your go-to platform for keeping your business's financial data orderly and accessible, so getting familiar with navigating it is key. Now, once you're logged in, shift your focus to the left-hand side menu. You'll want to click on the Bank Transactions option. This section is pivotal because it serves as the gateway to all your banking data, allowing you to sync, review, and manage your transactions more efficiently. By maintaining regular updates through bank transactions, you can gain real-time insights into your cash flow and financial status. Next, you'll want to look for an entry labeled ATM Withdrawal. Click on this to open a more detailed view. Ensuring that you correctly categorize and notate ATM withdrawals is crucial for keeping your records neat and for later reference during reconciliation and reporting periods. As you click on this, think about when withdrawals happen and how they affect your overall cash flow. From here, you'll notice an option that says Create Rule. Clicking on this will allow you to set parameters for how these transactions should be automatically handled in the future. Creating rules is a powerful feature in QuickBooks. It helps automate repetitive processes and enhances the accuracy of your records. It's worth taking a few moments to determine typical patterns in your transactions so you can set up rules that best suit your business needs. This is also helpful because it eliminates much manual work and reduces the potential for human error in your accounting. Once you have set up your rules, the final step is to click on Split. This function is particularly useful when a single transaction needs to be divided into multiple categories or accounts, ensuring that your budgeting and expense tracking align perfectly with real-world spending. Splitting transactions accurately is key, especially when dealing with expenses that serve more than one purpose or that fall into more than one category. By following these steps, you're not only keeping your finances organized, but also leveraging QuickBooks' powerful features to streamline your accounting workflow. It's always great practice to periodically review your setup, ensuring that all bank transactions and rules reflect your current business activities and goals. Thank you for watching this guide on managing your bank transactions in QuickBooks. By investing a little time and focus into setting up these aspects properly, you're setting your business up for smoother financial management. Until next time, stay organized and keep your financial data working for you.